know the catch of the day. In many restaurants, in many food outlets, it is very essential. This is a big selling point, and people prefer fresh catch of the day. It could be anything, whichever country you are in, whichever hospitality outlet you are in, whichever restaurant you are in. Normally the chefs have, ice display, crush ice display. They will keep the fishes over there. Even sometimes they will put tagging. You can educate your customers, sir, I have the fresh shari, I got Sultan Ibrahim, I got trout, I got groupers, I got X fishes which is available in that country. So then if you take the order from there, first of all, these dishes are priced slightly higher, but it has very high satisfaction in the mind of the customer. So you need to know catch of the day before you approach the guest table. This will be described into the daily briefing. When the restaurant have daily briefing, your captain and supervisor will tell you, please recommend, this is our catch of the day. So this is additional selling point. Customer will love it. Further to that, daily special. Daily specials are the item which is not printed on the menu. This is a small insert card which is inserted in the main course area into the each menu page as and when applicable. This will give an additional information to the customer that apart from the available dishes that you have on the menu, what else is special today. There are many customers, they have had all the dishes of your restaurant already. They know all the dishes already. They have sampled all the dishes already, but they like your place. When they like your place, they want to sample something different when they come to this visit. This is the time this technique will work. When they say daily special, they will ask you, what is daily special today? It means to say this dish is specially created by your chef, not only portion wise, the decoration wise, accompaniment wise, how it is made, served, and it is very appealing overall. So this dish also have special price. It is slightly more price than the normal standard dishes. That adds value to your restaurant, because restaurant will be monetary gaining. Your average check will go high. But you see, customer is already asking you, what is daily special today? That means to say he's able to spend, and he doesn't mind as long as you recommend it properly. Because if you will fail this step, you miss your sales. So keep that in mind. When the menu goes, you have a look at the menu before presenting. You see the insert card is already there, which is describing the daily special. Sometimes the daily specials are even 2, 3, or 4. The chefs are very creative. They will create 2 or 3 dishes already, and they will tell you, today please put this card into the menu. It means to say all these 2, 3 dishes are available, and this is what you want to upsell. First of all, he is happy to make. Secondly, when you are selling that, you're getting higher price per dish. And thirdly, you have very happy customer because he got what he wanted it. Following, know at least 3 white wines and 3 red wines by glass and food combination. When we say food combination, we are talking about food pairing with wine. Now, there are many foods, they go with particular wine very well. It means there is a pairing. What do you suggest when the guests have ordered a duck? Example, what will you suggest when the guest has ordered a turkey or a red meat or a white meat? You need to see what is your wine list is about, what choices are available within the house. And always do this beforehand. You need to memorize in your mind, if this item is asked by a customer, what I'm going to suggest. This you can use a small pad, writing pad in your pocket, and it is not considered bad when you read out. When you read out, that also shows your professionalism. First of all, you are very accurate the way you suggest. Secondly, the guests know that you are very knowledgeable. Not only you came to recommend, you came as prepared. So it sends very strong signal in the customer's mind. He pays attention to you, and then he will say, why did you recommend this wine? Sir, this is the best match, and this is what I suggest. I know it goes very well. You will be very happy. I think it is a good combination. If you take my recommendation, you will really enjoy your food and wine together. And it could be anything else. If not wine, if he wants to go with something aside, you can also recommend. You need to read his mind. Accordingly, you suggest. As you can see, you can also suggest the cheese. You can also suggest other wines. You can suggest desserts. Possibilities are unlimited. You need to read his mind. Accordingly, you go suggesting. You need to know what your menu is about, how many dishes in the dessert. Example, you have certain dishes in the dessert. Some are chilled, some are warm dessert. You need to see what type of conversation you are with the customer. What do you think he will like? Does he like warm desserts? Okay, if he's taking a warm dessert, you can say, sir, you can put a scoop of ice cream to go hot and cold surprise with it. May I recommend you this way? If he's only ordering a warm dessert, one scoop of ice cream can go on the side. That's no problem. If somebody had ordered an ice cream, okay, with ice cream, what you can offer? With the ice cream, you can order a sweet wine, a desert wine. You need to know, first of all, what is the offering, and then offer a suitable match. In many times, it will work perfect. First of all, guest did not expect that you are going to suggest a desert wine. Guest doesn't know with the cheese if something can go like a port wine. Guest didn't know, but you were very good. You were having knowledge. You had information. You gathered things from your daily briefing, and you were able to tell. Customer wouldn't know all this, but once you say, he say, yes, I'm enjoying my cheese platter. How about to have a glass of port wine or sherry to come with it? There we go. You sell a 30 ml of sherry, 30 ml of port wine, or anything else which goes with it. So that way your average check increases, and it also shows your professionalism.